Okay, guys. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. And happy new week to us all. Okay. What I want to talk about is very simple. You are the type that you see celebrities in your dream. Not just any kind of celebrity. Now, you see popular celebrity, Davido, Wizkid, Burna Boy, Tiwa Savage, Mercy Johnson. You see them in your dream, and then you see popular pastors, influential pastors. You know, in your dream, and then you see uh politicians, like influential people. You are seeing them. Even some, they see celebrity that is abroad. They see celebrities abroad. That's other countries celebrity, other countries presidents, politicians. They see them in their dreams, right? Now you are seeing this personality, and then you're also the type that you always see cooked egg in your dream. Cooked egg. You're always eating cooked egg in your dream, or somebody's always giving you cooked egg in your dream, or you just see that you just come across it. It's cooked, boiled egg. You're always seeing it inside a pot, or you're always seeing it inside a basin, or you're seeing it inside a plate, or you're seeing it inside a kitchen. You are always seeing cooked egg. And then another one again, you're the type of person that you always have dreams and you see yourself, you're eating fruits, or you're plucking fruits from the tree. Mango, pineapple, banana, like you're plucking fruits from the tree, or you're eating it, or somebody is giving it to you, or somebody help you pluck and can't give it to you. You're always having this kind of positive dreams. Now another one again, you're always having dreams where people always give you money, like they always give you gifts for dream, like they give you things for inside dream, that they give you money. You're always taking money from people. Mind you, if you're the one giving out money, is bad. If you're the one giving out money in your dream, that one is a bad one. You understand? So people are always giving you money. Sometimes you receive money in hard currencies. You receive money in different kind of currency, foreign currencies, Nigeria currency and all that. You're always seeing this kind of dream. Then another one again, you're always seeing yourself flying in the dream whenever there is a problem. Right? Maybe you are in a danger in that dream. All of a sudden, you see yourself in the sky. You're always flying up from the down. You don't come off for ground. You don't go up. Right? Now, mind you, if you see yourself falling from the sky down, that one is a bad dream. If you see you day up, you got the fall come down, that one is a bad dream. Now, I'm talking about the one that you see yourself, you are flying up. You are in a problem. Maybe, for instance, some people wants to attack you, and then all of a sudden, you don't see yourself for up. Right? And you are looking at these dreams that I've just narrated as just dreams. You see yourself, another one again now, you see yourself driving expensive cars in your dream. Now you they drive, not a person they drive you. You are the one driving the car. Expensive cars, better motor, machine. You see yourself driving it. Even some persons, they see themselves driving a Camry, Toyota Camry, Corolla, those kind of cars. As long as the car is in good condition, it's not a rickety car, the car is in a good condition, and you are the one driving it, you are having this kind of dreams. Or you see yourself driving a Lexus or a RAV4 or whatever. Please don't look at it that is just common. Okay? It's not just common. It's not just an ordinary dream. That is a message. It is a positive dream. Okay? Now you're looking at those dreams as, not just dream. Not just dream. Now ordinary dream. It is not ordinary dream. You see those dreams, they are not ordinary. You are having those kind of dreams, and in the physical like this, 1,000 naira save you they beg 1,000 naira, you they beg 1,000 naira. You're having this kind of dream. You are begging for 1,000 naira. Have you seen a celebrity beg for 1,000? When I mean celebrity, I know they talk about the ones with the upcoming. I'm talking about celebrities. Davido, you don't yet see Davido beg 1,000 naira. Abi, you don't yet see Tiwa Savage beg 1,000. Abi, you don't yet see Mercy Johnson beg 1,000. You are having these kind of dreams. I've talked about celebrity dreams before. Go and watch it. If you have not seen that video, go and watch it. It's pinned on my page. So maybe you understand this one better. You're plucking fruits in the dream. You're eating fruit. Fruit means abundance. Fruit, it means abundance. Orange, mango, they mean abundance. Prosperity, that's what it means. And then in the physical realm, you are begging for 1,000 naira. You don't see anybody where they prosperous, where they beg 1,000. You don't see anybody that is prosperous that is begging to feed. Have you seen anybody that is prosperous that is begging to pay his or her bills? You are prosperous, you're supposed to sort your bills out yourself. Right? They give you money in the dream, dollars. They collect dollars for dream. They collect pounds for dream. And in reality, 1 naira every day your account. You they owe. You don't borrow from loan app, but you they owe money. You're owing. And you sit down and said it is normal. Please explain to me, how is it normal? How is it normal? It is not normal. You cannot sit back and say, it's a normal thing. It is not a normal thing. It is not a normal thing. You are having this kind of dreams, this kind of positive. There are many more positive dreams, but I'm just using this one as a case study. You're having this kind of dreams. Don't sit back and relax. Go and do proper consultation to know what is wrong. What is the problem? Why is this dream that I'm having not coming to pass? Some people, whenever they have positive dream, the positive one will not come to pass. But whenever they sleep and they have a negative dream, that day or the following day, that negative dream will happen. It will not happen physically, they'll come see them. But the positive ones, it never happens. And then they come to pass. Why is it so? In never which way you're supposed to work me, you do shaking me, you know why it be like that. Na church. A lot of you are owing spiritual debts you don't know. You don't know. And some of you will come and say, Jesus Christ have paid the debt for you. Jesus Christ have paid your debts in full. I'm not against Jesus Christ. I have never spoken evil or ill against him. I have never. But there are some things that common sense will tell you. If Jesus Christ have paid your debt for you, why are you paying tithe and offering in your church? Tithe now wait till you they owe God. After 10%, after your profit for a month or your salary for a month, 10% you give it to church. You give it to God. Why are you paying the tithe? If you're not paying tithe now, see, Jesus Christ have paid all your debts. Because when you make your profits for your shop or for your business or for your workplace, they pay you in the month. You receive your salary or you get your profits in the month, right? You not pay that 10%, then you they owe. You become a debtor, right? Now, you can't go pay and maybe for not the owe. Why you they pay and see Jesus Christ have paid your debts? There are lots of things that your pastor will never tell you, because why? If the pastor talk true, you go stop to go to that church. There are lots of things that your pastor will never tell you. Do you hear me? It don't reach where you go work out for yourself. Pray to your guidance spirit to lead you to a genuine person that does spiritual work. May the person do proper and genuine consultation for you. Not be just the ones go tell say you be water. Everybody will come meet them now. Water carry load, go water carry this one, go do this, go do that one. No, a genuine person for a proper consultation. Do you understand me? You pray to your forces to bring a genuine person for you. You can't be having this kind of dreams and you are begging to feed. That is an error. You cannot be having this kind of positive dreams and then you are asking questions. And what is it? That is an error. That is what an error. Even raw egg. Somebody give you raw egg in the dream. You are not eating it. Somebody they chop raw egg or you swallow raw egg. Somebody give it to you in the dream. That is a positive one too. It's not only about the boiled egg. Raw egg na positive one as well. Ask questions. What is wrong with my life? What is going on? I don't understand anymore. Before I used to dream, my dreams, the good ones always come to pass. But now the negative one, they happen. What is going on? I've never been like this. I am never known to be like this, begging to feed. Why am I begging to feed? When you take the issue as it is normal, it becomes your reality. When you take it as na normal thing, na so life dey be. There's ups and downs in life, and when sometimes you go up, sometimes you go down. It becomes your reality. It becomes your reality. Do proper consultation to check what the problem is, to know what the problem is. Okay, so thank you guys very much. My WhatsApp number is displayed on my profile. I do consultation, I do spiritual reading, I do afa, I do spiritual work. My name remains Rebecca Ayawotutu. So feel free to contact me for anything relating to spirituality. All right, thank you very much. My WhatsApp number is displayed on my profile. Okay, thank you guys very much.